Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue with a C++ code that will calculate for three different integers and check if they are equal or not equal. So if they are equal, the calculation will return equal. If they are not equal, it will display not equal, right? So first we are going to include IOStream, sorry for that. Then the second one, using namespace, so there's no space between, string int main. So this is where all your coding begins. So you enter int your integers. Let me use x, y, and z. So x, y, z, right? Then cout, enter three numbers of your choice. You can say enter x, y, z if you want, right? Cin x, sorry, y, z. Is that okay? Don't forget your semicolon, your parenthesis. So you come and give the condition. If, open your bracket, if x equals y and y equals z, cout equal, so you are giving it the command. This one is your formula, and this is what it will display if it meets your condition. Else cout not equal, now let's end our code here. So if you want to end, anytime you see return 0 means you are ending your program, right? So now let's run it and see if we are correct or we are wrong. Let's compile it. So let's save it here. File already there, so let's save it. Let's replace it. So here we are having a problem here. What does it say? Here, the 10th line, we are supposed to bring parentheses. but we didn't bring it. That's why it is showing that. So let's check again. Yeah, so enter 3 numbers. So I have this one, and this. So you see they are not equal. So x is not equal to y. Sorry, x is equal to y, but y is not equal to z. So they are not equal. So we come back to our program. We check. We can, if you want to add comment, we can add comment here. You can say formula, right? Then here return if condition is main, but we can leave it here, and that is it. So thank you. If you find it useful, don't forget to give a like, comment the next one you want to see, and let's take it from there. See you in the next video.